In this session, I am discussing how to create a Java program and how to run a Java program. First, if you want to create a Java program, go in the Start menu. This is a Start menu. In some PCs, it is present on the left side, and in some PCs, it is present on the center. So, depending on the operating system configuration, you can click on Start menu. Click on Start menu and search for File Explorer. So, if you click on File, or if you type the file, you can see File Explorer is present here. Click on that. If you open the File Explorer, in the bottom left corner, you can see this PC option. Just click on that. If you click on that, you will get the drives present in your system. So in my system, I have C drive and D drive. The C drive contains operating system, so don't create files in the C drive. So go to D drive or E drive, whichever is present in your system. So I will go inside D drive here. So double click on this. Next, after double clicking, we'll go inside that drive. So here we need to create a folder with our USN. So I will right click on my PC, then I will select new, and here you can see a folder option. Click on that. So you can see a blue highlighted color. It is asking me to name the folder. So I will name it as 2GI20MC005. It is my USN. So accordingly, you can give your USNs. So click outside. So it will save your file. Next is open your file or folder which is present here. See here, we are inside D directory. Inside that we have created a folder. We are present inside that directory. Next, we need to create a file containing a Java program. For that, right click on your PC, select new and go to text document. If you click on text document, it will highlight and ask you to name that file. I will name it as lab1.java. So click on enter after you finish renaming it. It will ask a pop-up window, click on yes. So you can see here we have successfully created a file called lab1.java. To write the program, first single click on it, then right click on it. There is an option called open with. In my system, if I click on open it, it is showing me Notepad. In some systems, that Notepad option will be present below. So depending on the system, you need to open the Notepad option. Click on Notepad, and here you can see it is asking me to write a program. So I will write a simple hello world program. Class. The name of the class should be same as of the name of the file, that is lab1.java. So we can also increase the font size to make it more readable. So click on edit, go to font, and here make it as 22 or 23 depending on your requirement. So you can see here the size of the characters has increased. So my class name should be the same as my file name, that is lab1.java, lab1. There should not be any extra spaces in between. Open the class, close the class. Next, public static void main string arguments, that is a type array. Next, open the bracket, close the bracket. Next, system dot out dot println. I will print hello. You should be careful that the class name C should be small and the lab L should be capital, because we have written the file name as capital L. And P is small, S is small, V is small, M is small, but S is capital letter. So here also system S is capital letters, remaining all are small letters. Be careful that this is a round bracket, not a square bracket. Sometimes you add it as square bracket, you will get an error here. So after completing your program, click on File and click on Save. So you have successfully saved the file. So minimize this window, click on the minus icon, it will minimize it. Next, go to Command Prompt. To go to Command Prompt, click on Start menu and in the search bar type CMD. You can see here Command Prompt options pops up. Click on that. It will open the command prompt for you. So first you can see here I am working in D directory. So to go inside D directory, currently I am in C directory. To go inside D directory, I need to write D and colon. If you are working in E directory, respectively you type E colon. After that, click on enter. You can see here I have gone inside D directory from this C directory. Now we need to go to the location where we have created our Java program. There is a shortcut for that. Just go to your window where you have created a file. If you click here, click on the center, you can select this path, right click on that, and there is a copy option. Just click on copy. So you have copied the path where you have created the file. So go to the command prompt and type cd, that is changing the directory. And if you right click on this command prompt, it will automatically paste. If you are not able to automatically paste it, just right click on the top corner of the command prompt and you can see an option called edit and there is a paste option. So if you click on paste, it will paste. If you type this, you should be careful that there is a space between cd command and the path. So after that, click on enter. After you click on enter, you can see here I have went inside the directory which I have created. So to check if the files are present there or not, there is a command called dir. Type dir and press enter. Here you can see there is a file called lab1.java inside this path. So we have successfully checked whether our file is present here or not. So to compile the file, you have to type JAVAC Java command followed by the name of the file. My file name is lab1.java. After typing it, click on enter. If you have not made any errors, you will not get any messages that is successfully compiled. Then the next step is to run this file. If you don't have any errors, then only you can run it. In my case, there are no errors, so I will run it. That is, there is a command called Java command followed by class name. That is, lab1 is my class name. Write Java followed by the name of the file. That is lab1. Don't write any extensions here. After that, click on enter. See here, we have successfully printed the message. That means our program executed successfully. So thank you.